Hello guys, thank you for being back to Block of the Martin family. Today I want to say hi and I want to say thank you so much for watching our videos. My daughter is not here with me, but today I'm gonna make a video all by myself and later on she will be in different ones. And but for now I want to say thank you to much of our families who watch our videos from India, from Netherlands, from Australia, from Costa Rica, from Argentina, and also Philippines. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We are so grateful to have you guys watching our videos. Thank you so much. I encourage other families who I still are not subscribed to our channel. Please subscribe, give us a like, and share our videos. Then, like that, we can continue growing and hit to the 1,000 subscribers, and like that we can make live videos, and you guys will be enjoying more of our videos and our cooking stuff that we will be making all for you guys. Thank you so much. Today I want to share that I will be making some batatas popsicles, which it is very popular in my country, which is Dominican Republic. But today, I will tell you which ingredients we will be using. Let me smile a little because sometimes people say that I don't smile that much. It's because I get so concentrated to make sure that you guys understand everything that I'm talking here. And but let's continue. And I will be trying to smile. I am very laughing person, but I take this so serious. So the first thing we will need is the pan with water because we will be, in this case we say batatas popsicles, but what we will be using, it will be yuca. I bought like half pound of yuca that I will be getting ready with you guys here in the video. I'll try my best to do it fast and like that you guys can enjoy more the videos. Also, we will need coconut, the real one. I already have mine. As you can see, it's the real ones. It's already washed. I have my hands washed. Everything here is washed. I have evaporated milk, condensed milk. I have cloves. I have to show because my daughter always said that I don't say that word very well in English. Cloves, look, cloves. Yes, we will be using that. We will be using 2 sticks of cinnamon. See, 2 sticks of cinnamon. We will need a cuchara en español, the trimmer, and we will need this for us to make sure to make the popsicles. See, and also I was forgetting, we will need those plastic cap. We will using this. I'm using 10 because I believe that's what we will need. For now, we will be adding some stuff here in the pan. It's already with the water. I'll try my best to not talk too much uh, in front of the ingredients because I don't like it. Okay, let's start with me taking the skin of the yuca. But for now, until you guys see my videos, make sure to give me a like and subscribe if you still don't subscribe to our channel. But please turn on the notification and please give me a like if you like, of course. Uh, and let me know if you are able to say from where you are watching our videos. Let me know. I would like to know. And also, from, my daughter is not here, but I'm pretty sure she's happy to send you a big hi and to know where you guys are coming from, watch our videos. So this is the first yuca. As you can see, you will be adding here. And let's see if I can make this video kind of fast. Like that you guys don't get tired, because I know sometimes long videos get people tired. And this is how we will be doing our popsicles. They are really delicious. It's very popular in my country. And let's see. Mhm. Try, this is like a pound of yuca. No, a pound, no, half pound of yuca. And of course, I always take this part of the middle because I don't like to feel that. Mhm. Yeah, I need to make this video with my daughter because she's always with me, but she has her things to do. That's cool. And let's see. I'll take my time today to do this because we have been kind of long that weren't making videos, so I'll try my best to see if I can make some because I have a lot of recipes to show you guys. The next one we will be showing will be making a sancocho. I don't know if you guys know from India. Maybe you guys have it, but in different name. In America, I believe it's called stew. Stew, like a, but it's like a soup, but it's with in a Dominican way. Okay, that will be my next video when I do it by myself because my daughter we will make a different one. And later on, I will tell you the ingredients you will be needing. Then you can be ready for the time and day that I tell you, and we can make the sancocho together. I would like to see if we can make already the 1,000 subscriber because like that I'm able to do the lives. And lives we can make it together. So I'm ready with this, with the yuca. I'm ready with the yuca. Now I will be adding this, going to be boiled for 10 minutes. I already put the yuca. Then I will be adding cocoa, coconut. This is like 2 coconuts already. So let's boil it for 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Alexa, get the timer for 10 minutes, please. 10 minutes. So let's see, guys, if you can help me out to be opening the other things that we will be needing. And like that, we can advance a little and see these other things get ready. Okay. Something else we will be needing, it will be the cinnamon stick. 2 of them. You will be adding them to boil it, and some cloves. Not a lot because the flavor of the cloves sometimes is a little hard for the kids. But if you like it, you can add a spoon if you want. Okay. I put this much, not that much, like 10 or 10 pieces. So I have the stick, like there is 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the ones that we will be needing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we have this. For now, okay, I'm done with this. It's going back to the fridge. And let me see what else I will need. we need this. Yeah, 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 yeah. So how are you guys? How's the day is going? Are you having a good day? Let me know what you guys are doing during the time that we are doing this. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me, please. And let's see. This is already watching. Are you already watching? Let's open this one. This is the condensing. Yes, maybe people will say, oh, in many of your videos you use condensing and evaporate milk. Yeah, because sometimes you have to mix with some flavor with the coconut and things like that, and like that it can get the real flavor that I really wanted. So if you do it on the way that I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure you will get it, and it will be a really good. That's really good for your kids, for the family. If you have some family to invite it, and one day you can make like more, you know, more containers and more caps, and they will be uh, very nice for the kids. Kids really enjoy the popsicles, and more when they are in this way, that it reminds the grandmas and grandpas. See, that reminds the grandmas and grandpas. Let's see. I'll try my best to do this video really quick. Okay, I think I don't need anything else for now. I will be pausing the video until the yuca is ready because it's still not 10 minutes. And let's see. Oh, let me get the blender. My famous blender. Alaya, my daughter doesn't like it because she said it make a lot of noise. But I like it because it's small, doesn't get too many space, and I just need it for a couple times, no that many times. You see, so it's fun and it's cheap. Hmm. Yes, it is cheap. Let's see. This is already washed, but I am still, I am that type of person that I have to be watching everything, even though that I have a minute that I already watched. This is ready. I'm gonna pause the video for a while until everything is get boiling, and then I'll be back. But please, for now, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you still don't do it. Don't forget to turn on the notifications, and give me a like, share, and do everything you can do with the video, because like that we can have more audience and we can have more subscriber, and we'll be able to make everything that I want, all of the videos in live, because like that you can cook with me. Yeah, you can cook with me. So I'll see you in a few, okay? Don't go nowhere. Hello, guys. I am back. I'm talking a little slow because I have neighbors, close to me. So I don't want them to be listening. But okay, during the time until we wait for Alexa to stop the boiling ingredients, I would like to tell you what would you like, what I would like you to have for the next video. Get ready with this, and soon I will be posting a video about making the sancocho. I know a lot of people is waiting for this. I have a lot of people, trust me, I have a lot of people waiting for this video, for the one for the sancocho, because they like the way I do the sancocho. And then I told them to wait until I can make the video for them to do it at home. But for now, you guys at home will need one of these, but bigger, bigger. It depends how much sancocho you will do. I'm pretty sure you will be needing a bigger one. The one that is, I have a bigger one, but I have to look under there, and I don't have time for now. So yes, one of these, but bigger, ready for soup, big soup. Okay. So the other thing you will need, it will be four plantain. You will need one squash, the green one, not the beige one. I don't like that one. I like the green one. You will need a bunch of cilantro. You will need cebolla. You will need garlic, a lot of garlic. If you can, two of these, two, because I like to put a lot of garlic. Because like that, it's listen. If you're feeling sick or your kids are feeling sick, that will help you. Alexa, stop, please. And if your kids are feeling cold or something, that will wake them up. Okay, so two of these. You will need a cebolla, a big cebolla, the red one if it's possible. You would need, already told you about cilantro. Let me put this off. And you will need those, in Spanish we call chuleta. It's like the piggy buns that has like a flat meat. You know what it is now. That's in Spanish chuleta. But it's if you don't know what it is, just look for those pork meat that has like the bone, and it has like a meat all around, like kind of round. That's what it is. So understand. Understand my English. I am Spankles. I speak Spankles. Um, yeah, so you will need that meat. You will also need some chicken if you want it, those. The one that has the bones are the best for this soup, for the sancocho. But for you guys, it's like a soup, but you won't have no noodles or stuff like that. So yes, you will need mm, any pieces that you want from the chicken, but the ones that has the bones. And also, you will need a pound of yuca. Uh, for now, that's all you will need. Okay, but get ready with that, because in the moment that I tell you let's do the sancocho, I hope I can hit the 1,000 subscribers soon. Then like that we can cook together. Okay. So let's see if you guys help me with this. Because, yeah, I need to do my lives. I need to do those lives cooking. And like that, we can cook together. I really like to cook. Yeah, I do like to cook. And so, like that, I can share those recipes that I have from my country, Dominican Republic, and I can, do it together with you at the same time. That sounds cool, right? So, okay, stop. No more talking. Let's do what we need to do. Okay, let me wash my hands again, and not too much talking now, because I'm gonna be working with the patata popsicles. Okay, okay, let's do this. So this is kind of hot. I already watched it, but let me watch it again because I was talking. By the way, I'm gonna be using that right now. So this is ready. Look, see? Here has the coconut, the yuca, stick, cinnamon stick, and some cloves. Now we will blend this, okay? First thing we will need is to put the yuca right here. Even though it's kind of hot, but it doesn't matter. Just put water like that and we and the coconut is better like that, because like that gets soft and smoother. And like that gives some flavor to the yuca already. This is the yuca. See? I just go like half pound. That's why you guys won't see too much here because it's just my daughter and I, so we don't need that much. Coconut. I will be using a little bit of the water where I boil it, but for now, because it's kind of hot, I will be using the evaporated milk for now. Okay. This is the condensed milk. I don't think I will use all of them, but let's see. Depends how I see. Okay. So I use half for now. Are you guys ready? That's remind me a lot my daughter. If my daughter was here, she was gonna. Okay, you guys ready? So I'm gonna mix it just like even I think it's ready. Okay. This is what we're going to do. A lot of people just leave it like that and they don't, they don't use the trimmer, but I do like it because like that it is soft and smooth, and the kids like it better like that. And if you want this, you can use it for you to do like sweet. Still, you can put this. After it finish, you can put it on the stove and it gets sweet. So you can make like a dessert with this. Well, that's, I used to see my mother to do it. Okay. This is a little from the water where I just boil it. This is all the coconut pork on the skin of the blender. I think I will have to use the water because it's see guys. After we do the popsicles, then I will have to put it on the fridge, and later on can make a short or a quick video showing you how it gets. Okay, after you got like a popsicle. I'm pretty sure you kids will love this, so try to make sure to make enough. I don't know if you have many kids, like 3 or 4, because after they try the first one, they will like one more, and also for the families. Okay. I will be using the rest of the coconut. I won't need no those because it already has the flavor. Okay. And just in case if you want, you can use the cinnamon powder I like better to boil it with the stick, but it's up to you if you want to use the cinnamon powder. So it's up to you, okay? Let's see. Okay, this is ready. I was telling you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also, don't forget to turn on the notifications. Then, like that, you can enjoy the next video. Okay, and get ready for the sancocho because we will be making sancocho, Dominican one. I have to make sure. I think I will have to make a little more because I was offering some people that I know. So I need to make sure to make enough. Pretty sure they are watching this video right now. Okay, guys, it's done. I'm done with the blender. I'm almost done with the video too. Let's see if we can make this together. Thank you guys for watching this video. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And turn on the notifications. Block of the marking. Let's hit the button to help us to get on the 1,000 subscribers. And like that, my daughter will be so happy too. And we will feel so appreciated with all of you. So now, I need to make sure about about the sugar. I need to make sure, okay? Really good, but need a little more sugar. But it needs a little more sweet. Okay? I thought that I was not have to do it like the whole can, but it does need it. You need more sugar because it doesn't make a sense to make popsicles. That is, that is doesn't keep one like it. It's up to you if you have diabetes or something. In that way you need to control the sugar, but in that way we don't have diabetes here. Thank God. Aquí estoy como I'm sorry, I was speaking in Spanish, I forget. So this is the size of one. I'm talking like that because I don't like to talk on the top of the food. See? So now Those are my 10 stick that I already put stick. You can find this in dollar stores or any cheap places, they sell it. It's like $1. So this is, look what I'm going to do now. Oh, I made 9. I thought it was gonna be for 10, but it was 9, okay? So guys, this is all for today. As you can see, here are my popsicles. There's one that it has less. Aquí están mis helados, homemade, homemade popsicles. I'm not talking on top of them, but as you can see, this is so practical. You can use it at home. If you have a lot of people invited, then make sure you can save some money. And like that, you know what are you giving to them. See, I really love it. I like to do most of the things in in my house for my daughter because let me just put this on the fridge, and I hope you like it. Okay, I'll continue talking to you, but let me put it on the fridge. So that's it. You see how easy and how you don't have to be spending a lot of money. Sometimes when you buy something outside, you don't know what are you giving to your kids or to your family. So like that, you can make it at home, and it's like homemade popsicles, and you know what are you giving to them. This is really good. I hope you can do it at home. It is delicious. Some people add a little vanilla flavor. Personally, I don't like it because I already like to feel the coconut and the yuca. It feels exactly like batata. Batata in our country is other kind of plantain, something like that. I don't know how to say it, but yuca, it will give you a really good flavor with the coconut and the stick of the cinnamon and then the cloves. It will be amazing flavor. But make sure you boil it with that, okay? Make sure you boil it with that because like that you don't have to be blended and things because it will feel like something gross that you won't like it like that. But I hope you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, even though my daughter is not here right now with me because she has to do her things in the school. But I'm pretty sure she will be so happy at the moment that she see this video. And also I will say hi to my daughter. Today I'm making the video all by myself, but I'm pretty sure she will love to see this video and she will be so happy to see that mommy was doing a video all by herself until the time that she was at school I was doing something different, and today that I am off, I am able to do it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to turn on the notifications, and like that we can top the hit the button to make 1,000 subscribers. But all of you can help me to get until that subscriber until those subscribers that I needed, that we needed to hit the button. Please don't forget to share, and if you have a families and friends, let them know that here we will be cooking with Mommy and Alaya. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. And don't forget, Block of the Martin, because together we are a big family.